Okay. Can we talk about this whole finding your purpose thing? Yeah. We've we've got to stop acting like our purpose is somewhere out there, like way out there somewhere, you know, behind the refrigerator with the missing sock from 2009. Yeah. You don't need to find your purpose. You need to remember it. Somewhere along the way, with raising babies, raising spouses, raising partners, creating businesses, and just trying to survive the chaos of all of it, we got distracted. You got distracted. And I know it's not your fault. It's not your fault. We're not going to put any blame. We're going to give ourselves grace. But you know what? There's that deep down knowing inside of you, that little voice. You know the one I'm talking about too. It's the small voice that just kind of whispers to you and it says, you know, I think I think I was made for. I know you've heard that voice. I know you have. And it's not fantasy. It's not a midlife crisis. No, it's not. It's actually the truth. Finally, finally knocking. And it's knocking at your door and it's telling you to come on. Come on outside. Come on. Come on. Join me. Let's go do the thing. Let's go be that person. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That voice. I know you remember that voice. I know you remember who she was. I used to be out here trying to do so much. I was working so hard. I was doing all the things like maybe I would do vision boards. I would journal my heart out. I would do all of the things. I would even do those magazine quizzes that would tell me what my perfect job would be. And it did tell me that I needed to be a goat herder in Ireland, by the way. Yeah, true. But it wasn't until finally had a moment where it just kind of hit me. Purpose, it's not something far away. It's not some big thing. Purpose is it's a homecoming. It's a coming back to you. Purpose is realizing that it's in you. It's in you. It's always been there. And it's been there before the world has told you how to think. Before it said that you needed to be realistic, before um, it said to stay safe. It was before. Your purpose? Okay, so when we think about your purpose, it's about what lights you up, and it's really kind of hard to talk about what lights you up because there's a lot of things that light you up, right? But it's the thing in you that drives you. It's the thing in you that you think about and you remember, you reminisce about day and maybe night. It's the thing that you would do for free. It's the thing you would do when you are completely consumed and busy and you still feel the drive, the need, the desire to do it. That's your purpose. That's it. And it doesn't have to be some big thing where you're feeding the hungry in every continent. I mean, it can be, but it can also be that small thing, that tiny piece of you that says, "Hey, I got this. Hey, I'm made just for this." That's your purpose. You didn't lose your purpose. You stopped listening. That's it. You stopped. You stopped listening to that voice. You stopped listening to the whisper. Instead of searching outside somewhere, out out here for your purpose, I want to invite you to just for a moment get still, get small, just for a moment. And I want you to ask yourself, what have I always known but stopped trusting? What would I do even if no one clapped? What if my purpose isn't out there, but in here? What if? If this has stirred something in you, maybe it's because you're starting to remember. And that is a beautiful thing. It's a wonderful thing. Sit for a moment and remember. Remember your dreams. So I'm going to invite you into my masterclass. This is my life masterclass, and it was made absolutely for you. It is powerful. It is the first step. It's the first step to becoming and coming back to who you are, who you were purposed to be, and to walk in the purpose that you were designed to complete. So, there is absolutely 100% no pressure. There's no pushing whatsoever. It's just a nudge. It's just a gentle nudge and an invitation to come back home, come back to you. Until next time, pursue freedom, live in your purpose, and love with joy.